Let me show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. Now, there's not a specific button you can click to make your account public, but if you do these things in settings, the chances of your public account getting approved is high. So click on your profile picture at the top left. Once you're inside your profile, as you guys can see, I have a public profile option over here. Now, I can just click on OK, and as you guys can see, I have a public profile. But if you don't have this option, what you need to do is click on setting at the top right. Inside settings, you want to scroll down until you see privacy control. Over here under see my location, click only me, and inside view my story, you want to choose my friends. Under contact me, you want to choose friends and contact. So make sure your settings is similar to me over here, and click on see me in quick add, and over here turn this on as well. And just like that, just make sure your account setting is set on public. If you do that after a certain days, you will get this public profile option. And you also have to upload some Snapchat reels. So make sure to upload some Snapchat reels, and basically if a lot of people view it, Snapchat will put your account into approving state and it'll be approved. So right now, this is the only way you guys can make a public profile in Snapchat. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.